Welcome to YouTube channel Kadam Academy. Dear friends, under the mechanical vibration video series, the single degree of freedom, the force damp vibration. Today the numerical we are going to complete. The numerical I will read. Mass of 10 kg is suspended from one end of a helical spring, other end being fixed. Stiffness of spring is 10 Newton per millimeter, and viscous damping causes the amplitude to decrease to 1/10 of the initial value. For complete oscillations, if a periodic force 150 cos inside the bracket 50t bracket close Newton is applied at the mass in the vertical direction, find the amplitude of the force vibration, and also we have to find the amplitude of force vibration at what is the value of at resonance. When there is a resonance, what is the value of x? So what is the given here? The mass of 10 kg suspended, the m is 10 kg on the spring, helical spring with the stiffness 10 Newton per millimeter. So 10 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per meter. What is next given? The stiffness of spring 10 Newton, and the viscous damping causes the amplitude decrease to 1/10 of initial value in the 4 complete oscillations. Means the x1, x2, x3 like this 4 oscillations, the ratio of this amplitude for the x1 upon the at the end x5 is equal to 1/10 of x1. What is the meaning of this one? The x1, x2, x2 like this, the oscillations are there. After this 5th oscillations, the x5, and here is the x1. So x5 is equal to 1/10 of x1. Its value is described like this. So what is the x1 upon x5? That is 10, and the harmonic force is equal to 150 into here cos of bracket inside the bracket this 50t that is in Newton. This is the value is given. That means the FO is what? 150. In this case FO is 150. Friend, what we have to find out? The omega also given to us. The omega is value of omega here 50 radian per second. We have to find out the value of x, the amplitude for this condition, and if there is a resonance, that means the omega by omega n is equal to 1 or r is equal to 1. What is the value of x? How to find out the value of x? We can find out the value of x for amplitude FO by K into MF. What is the MF? FO, we can take the value FO. We don't know the K. Yes, we know the K. FO no, but MF we know, don't know. So we have to find out the MF. How to find out the MF? We know that MF is nothing but the magnification factor. We can find out by using this formula: 1 upon under root of 1 minus r square bracket square plus twice zeta r bracket square. I'll extend this like this. So this is the formula to find out the MF. Once we find out the value of MF, we can find out the value of x. To calculate the value of MF, what we have to do? We have to put the values here. R we know. What is the value of R? R is nothing but the omega by omega n. Omega we know, but omega n we don't know. Find out the omega n, we must know the value of K. So, and m. So, omega n is equal to under root of K by m. So, I will write here K. How much K? K into 10 raised to 3. Here value is given. What is the value of m? M is 10 kg. 10. So omega n becomes under root of 10 into 10 raised to 3 upon 10. You'll get the value is 31.627. That is radian per second. First we know the value of omega n. This value of omega n we know. Then we can find out this. We have the value of omega. So R becomes equal to omega upon omega n. So R is equal to omega is how much? 50 upon 31.627. So R ratio of this frequency ratio, you can say frequency. What is this frequency ratio? 0.5811, and this is a dimensionless. So we can find out here MF by using this frequency ratio. And zeta we know. The value of zeta we know. What is the value of zeta? It is given in the numerical. If the value of zeta is not given, so how to find out the value of zeta? By using this relationship, I will show you, or by using the delta. That delta is equal to 1 upon n into ln into this x1 by x2 or xn. We can write xn here in this case. So number of cycles are 5. Okay, the x5 is the last term. Number of cycles are 4 into ln x1 by x5 means up to 5 by written. Delta is equal to 1 by 4 here ln into ln means log of to the base e 10. Delta is equal to 1 by 4 log of to the base 10. We get the value of this delta is 0.5756. Once we find out the value of delta, we can find out the value of here. We'll write. We'll just cut it. We're going to find out the value of zeta. How to find out the value of zeta? By using this relation delta upon. Already we have derived this, shown you in the numerical. Various videos are there. You watch that video for the first time vibration. Here shown how these relations are coming. Zeta is equal to delta upon under root of 4 pi square plus delta square. By using this relation, we can find out the value of zeta. Putting the value of delta here in this equation, we get the value of zeta. What is the value of zeta? I will write here 0.0912. This is the final value of the zeta. Correct? Now once we know value of zeta, we know, putting r we know, zeta we know, we can find out the MF. So MF is equal to, then putting the value of r and zeta in this equation, I will write once again. What is the value of r? 1 minus r is 0.1 square, 1.4811 is square, and this bracket square again plus twice zeta. Zeta is how much? 0.0912 into this r. R is how much? 1.5811. This bracket square. This is the formula. Here we put the value of zeta r. This is the value of zeta. This is the r. This is the r. 1 minus r square. So MF becomes, I'll write here value of MF directly. It will become calculating 6547. Once we got the value of MF, we have to find out the x. How to find out the value of x? X we can find out by using the relation FO by K into inside the bracket MF, magnification factor. So x is equal to, what is FO? 150 upon K, 10 into 10 raised to 3 into this MF 0.6547. What is the value of the x then? In this case the x becomes 9.8205 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is in meter, or millimeter is 9.8205 millimeter. This is in meter. So this is the case. We just find out the value. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the value of x at resonance. Resonance is occur when omega is equal to omega n. This frequency of that system is equal to natural frequency of system. So that means this R becomes equal to 1. Putting the R value in this MF equation, already we have written here this equation 1 upon under root of 1 upon this under root of 1 minus R square bracket square plus twice zeta R bracket square. Putting the value of R, the MF becomes, in this case, the value of MF will get reduced. That value becomes the R, when we reduce at resonance, the R becomes less, the value of MF becomes increase. See here, 5.4824. Previously that value was, magnification factor is very less. In this case, this magnification factor is very less as compared to resonance. See here, this value is higher than the at resonance. This value is high, highest value of MF. So what is the amplitude in this case? FO by K into MF. So this FO we know 150 upon 10 into 10 raised to 3 into value of MF, just we calculated here 5.4824. So what will the value of x then? The value of x at R is equal to 1 is equal to, just calculating this term, 0.0822 meter, 822 millimeter. This is amplitude for this condition at resonance. Okay, omega is equal to omega n. So friends, this is the numerical, simple numerical for the four damp vibration. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel.